Hello everyone. Today you'll see an animated cartoon about a distant planet where everyone has been using the benefits of AI for a long time. You'll see all the animation at once, without any interruptions. This animation was created for the tutorial where we demonstrate how to create your own AI avatar. The link to the tutorial is currently displayed on your screen, so let's watch it.
Have you ever heard of a planet where AI is as old as their civilization? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a journey to that planet.
What about AI? It looks like she was also created with AI.
Guess what, guys? I just learned that humans have only now started studying AI. Although they have some interesting developments using artificial intelligence, listen up.
What? How is that possible?
Did they just discover electricity too?
What do they even know about AI?
Listen up. And be sure to like the video and please subscribe to our planet, because I really need the views. And I'll be showing you some really epic ideas that you can use on our planet too. Well, I heard they're still figuring it out. They only started learning about it a few decades ago.
A few decades? We've been using AI for over 10,000 years in our civilization.
What kind of technology do they even have?
I heard they just developed AI that can write simple scripts.
That's it? We have AI that can run our entire cities, and they can only write simple scripts?
I guess humans have a long way to go, but I have a feeling they'll catch up soon. After all, they did invent the wheel eventually. If you're wondering what other ideas I've found about evolution on planet's Earth internet, don't miss our next journeys. Subscribe.